Today in math, we've got two different skills we're working on, identifying circles and triangles in your math book today. So page 470, you'll start here. It's pretty simple today. You're going to just follow the directions at the bottom. It says color the circles in each row and then mark an X on the triangles. So you're focusing on circles and triangles. This is a yellow circle. Circles are special because they have 0 straight sides and 0 vertices. Triangles are special because tri means 3. So they have 3 vertices, those are the corners, and 3 straight sides. Now, triangles can have different appearances. This is called an equilateral triangle where all the sides are the same. If I flip it, it still looks like a triangle. But there's other triangles that have a little bit narrower angles here. So there's different types of triangles, but as long as it has 3 sides, it's a triangle. So the bookwork today is pretty simple. Color the circles, cross out the triangles. And I think it's the same on this side. Color the circles, mark an X on the triangles. So just follow the directions in the book for the couple pages. And then number 10 is your challenge. It says have students draw a picture of an object that is shaped like a triangle. So you could use this page here to help you, like a yield sign, a tortilla chip, a slice of watermelon, maybe a piece of pie. So however creative you want to be, draw a picture of a real life item that has the shape of a triangle. Now we're going to continue with our position words. Let me get my duck. Yesterday I had you draw a duck and cut it out. Here's my duck. He's gray and he's got purple polka dots. So we're going to do the ducky pokey, and when you do the ducky pokey, you have to stand up so that you can move around. Here's my ducky pokey poem. And so we're learning position words, and so I'm going to use my my little donuts I got for my birthday as the object that the duck will be above, below, beside, in front of, and behind. All right, so here's my donuts, and here's our song. We put our duck above, we put our duck below, we put our duck above, and we touch our pinky toe. We do the ducky pokey, and we turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about. So above, there's space. Next verse. We put our duck in front. We put our duck behind. We put our duck in front. And we shake a little grind. Do the ducky pokey and you turn yourselves around. That's what it's all about. All right, now this one, the words are next to her and besides him. I don't have anyone to put the duck next to her or besides him, but I'll just put my donut can be, the hers are on this side and the hims are on this side. We put our duck next to her, we put our duck next to him, we put our duck next to her, and we take her for a swim. We do the ducky pokey and we turn ourselves around. That's what it's all about. So our words, our position words, above means there's space. If my duck was touching the donuts, it would be on top of. But I don't want him on top of, I want him above. So make sure there's a space for above. Below is like underneath an object. In front of means that the object, the duck, is in front of the donuts. It means that the donuts are blocked by my duck. If I say my duck is behind the donuts, then the duck is covered up by my donut, so you can see him peeking up. Next to and beside are like the same words. So my duck is beside the donuts. That's like next to. All right, now we're going to draw a picture. So get your writing journal out, and I want you to follow these cues. First, I need you to draw a shrub in the middle of your paper. So if this is your paper, I want you to get a light green color. That way it shows up. So a light green shrub, a shrub is like a little bush in the middle of your page. So here's my little light green shrub. Next, I want you to draw a sun in the corner. Doesn't matter which corner. Draw a sun in the corner. Now we are ready. I want you to draw a bird flying beside the sun. Beside the sun. So if I draw my little bird, I guess he kind of looks like an airplane. So here's my bird. So draw your bird beside the sun. Now I want you to draw a cat below the bird. So I need a cat below my bird here. I think my cat will be green. So just below, here's my kitty cat. Meow. Here's my little cat here. I guess I could draw a little bit better. But there's my little kitty cat. My cat is below my bird. The last thing I want you to draw is a red ball in front of the shrub. So if I draw a red ball in front, it means that my ball will be covering up part of the little shrub here. So just to review what we drew a bird beside the sun. We drew a cat below the bird. We drew a red ball in front of the shrub. And I could also say that the cat is next to the shrub. So practice drawing those and then do your shapes, and that's what we have going on today.